Okay, next we're going to demonstrate how to get a patient from the bed to the chair using a walker and with just one person assist. So during this transfer, you want to encourage the patient to do as much of it as they can on their own, and then just kind of give them a little bit of assistance as they need it. So first thing, you're going to come over closer to the patient. To get them sitting up, you're going to have them first roll onto your side. So you're going to roll towards your side here. Okay, you take both of your legs off the side of the bed. Okay, and then if the patient needs a little bit of help, you can assist them at their shoulder. I'm going to try to push and sit on up here. Okay. Once they're sitting, the next thing you want to do is scoot the patient close to the edge of the bed. So you can ask the patient to try to push through their hands and scoot to the edge. If they're not able to scoot, then you can use the pad or the sheet that's on the bed and then assist them from there. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the gait belt around the patient. Lift your arms up for me. Okay, and then finally you're going to want to bring the walker up closer to you. To start off with, you want to kind of have the patient put both of their legs in between the walker. Scoot the walker up nice and close to the bed. Okay, and then when you go to stand up, encourage the patient to push from the bed and not reach their hands up for the walker. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and push from the bed. Go ahead and stand on up there, and then you can reach one hand up for the walker, other hand up, and then push up nice and tall. Okay. Ideally, when they're walking, you want to make sure they're keeping their feet in the middle of the walker. Their arms should have a slight bend to their elbows, so if they put their hands down by their side, go ahead and put your hand down. The walker should hit kind of right at about the wrist level. Okay. So from here, you can have the patient just pick the walker up, take a couple steps forwards. As best you can, make sure that all four legs of the walker are staying on the ground. Okay, so go ahead and pick the walker up, move forwards. If the patient's able to walk, you could go ahead and walk to the bathroom at this point. Otherwise, if you're just trying to get to the chair, have the patient start to turn. Go ahead and turn, keeping their feet inside the walker there. And then just cue the patient to back up towards the chair. And back all the way up. Okay, so you'll have the patient back up till they feel the chair back behind their legs. Make sure that walker is squared up with them. Okay. Encourage the patient to reach their hands back for the chair, and then they can go ahead and sit down.